When it comes to elite athletes, injuries of all type factor into their performance, from blisters and bruises to season-altering breaks and tears. Careers and championships can come down to the team's ability to adapt the motorcycle to the rider's specific injury.
Because the season is so long and so many races, pretty much all the riders are riding with some kind of injury.
The guys can typically work through and tolerate certain ankle, knee, hip, spinal injuries. Wrists are difficult because it's difficult to hold on to that motorcycle as it's trying to always kind of pull away from you. Shoulders, they can be difficult as well. The force on these guys' body or injury is the key. So force is defined as mass times acceleration. You know, the mass of the motorcycle is pretty constant, it doesn't change very much throughout the day. But the acceleration of it coming towards you or away from you is something that they can modify. You know, you could think about Adam Sansarillo. You know, he had AC separation to the shoulder. Most doctors would suggest, okay, just take several months off, let this thing heal. But we were trying to heal as the race weekends continued.
We need to try to make the motorcycle as stable as possible because, you know, when you're hitting rhythms or whoops, you know, if he's starting to go in the wrong direction, he don't have the strength to correct the bike. Even worked with a different Dunlop rear tire, just so it's not as grabby on the edges, so you just make it easier for him to stay neutral. Especially with our power, maybe, you know, you can go a little bit less power because the guys are not going to be as aggressive. Try to make the bike as easy to ride as possible so they can use as little energy.
Whether we are doing therapy to flush out inflammation, whether we're doing tape to restrict motion so it's not moving more than it's supposed to because some of the injuries allow for that to happen. That's what we're trying to do when we're talking about injury management, is just trying to make sure that we're making him as comfortable as we can.